Hello everyone, the new year is upon us. 2019 is coming our way and I'm really excited to be teaching two workshops, one in New York and one in San Francisco, about how to recreate your illusion. So everything is an illusion, right? We've heard that terminology before. In fact, Albert Einstein says, everything is an illusion, albeit a very persistent one. And that is our experience, right? We've been told this is an illusion, but it's persistent. We wake up to it every single day. So I'm going to pass on some teachings from Dr. Pillai about how to recreate your illusion in 2019 to create the illusion you want, instead of the one you wake up to every day that may have some factors and situations that you're not necessarily happy with, right? So there will be at least 3 techniques that will help to dissolve negative thoughts, recreate and realign yourself with what you want to manifest, as well as a hands-on workshop to identify some areas of your life that are in a stuck pattern and recreating them into something new, like literally recreating the illusion, so that when you leave the workshop, you'll have something new to focus on, you'll have techniques to take with you, and then it's up to you to implement them to continue to recreate the illusion, because you can't just do it once, right? You have to keep at this and use it as a practice. But if you attend the workshops, we will go through all of that and make sure that you have what you need to recreate your illusion in 2019 to create your dream life, your new life. Like, enough already, right? Let's get to what we're here to do, your life purpose, what you want to manifest, who you want to be. So important to our soul's journey. Also, it would be a great opportunity to see other people in the community. I'm very excited about going to New York and San Francisco, where I've seen our community that we've had around for years, as well as meeting some new people. I don't get to travel to these locations that often, so I really hope that you can take time to join us. We've kept the prices as minimal as we possibly can, and if you can't afford to attend at the suggested registration fee, then just come anyway. No one will be turned away. But please register in advance if you can, so that we know who is coming. And December 29th is the New York event, and January 13th is the San Francisco event. I look forward to seeing you there. Namaste.